In my little garden, under the blue sky, there's a wooden swing where dreams fly high. With every back and forth, I'll leave the ground. In that gentle motion, my happiness is found. Swing, swing, into the clouds so high. Each little push feels like I can fly. Swing, swing, where my heart sings clear. In the rhythm of the air, love seems so near. Under the shade of the old oak tree, the swing holds every memory dear to me. Laughing in the sunshine, or whispering under the moon. On this little swing, love plays its tune. Swing, swing, under the starlit sky, where every little worry just seems to pass by. Swing, swing, in the breeze so sweet. With every single heartbeat, our love completes. It's more than just a swing, it's a place where dreams are made, where fears are lost and the joy never fades. Hand in hand we swing through life's vast design. In the simple act our souls intertwine. Seasons change, but the swing remains, a testament to love through sunshine and rains. In the quiet moments or a gusty day's whirl, that swing is our sanctuary in this ever-changing world. Swing, swing, let's journey far and wide, above the confines of time, our love's endless ride. Swing, swing, in love's embrace so strong, in the simple joy of swinging is where we belong.